everyone. A very warm and happy welcome back to the English Talkline. I am Sarah, your teacher and friend, and I am so glad to see your faces again today.
And a big hello from me. I'm Sam. I am a student just like you. I am here to learn, to listen, and to grow my English day by day.
That is right, Sam. Here at our channel, we believe that learning a new language should be a peaceful journey. We don't want you to feel stressed or worried about grammar. We want you to feel calm and comfortable.
Exactly, Sarah. When I first started, I was very nervous, but now I know that this is a safe place. We are like a big family, learning together under a big shady tree.
What a beautiful thought, Sam. Whether you are at home, on the bus, or taking a small break from your work, thank you for choosing to spend these minutes with us. We value your time and your heart.
We really do. Today's lesson is going to be very helpful for your daily life. It is about being brave and kind when we meet new people.
It certainly is. So take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and let's begin our lesson with a smile. So, Sam, how was your day today? You look like you have been very busy in the fresh air. Hello, everyone. A very warm and happy welcome back to the English Talkline. I am Sarah, your teacher and friend, and I am so glad to see your faces again today.
And a big hello from me. I'm Sam. I am a student just like you. I am here to learn, to listen, and to grow my English day by day.
That is right, Sam. Here at our channel, we believe that learning a new language should be a peaceful journey. We don't want you to feel stressed or worried about grammar. We want you to feel calm and comfortable.
Exactly, Sarah. When I first started, I was very nervous, but now I know that this is a safe place. We are like a big family, learning together under a big shady tree.
What a beautiful thought, Sam. Whether you are at home, on the bus, or taking a small break from your work, thank you for choosing to spend these minutes with us. We value your time and your heart.
We really do. Today's lesson is going to be very helpful for your daily life. It is about being brave and kind when we meet new people.
It certainly is. So take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and let's begin our lesson with a smile. So, Sam, how was your day today? You look like you have been very busy in the fresh air.
Oh, Sarah, I had a very long day. I went to the park this morning because the sun was so bright and beautiful. I sat on a blue bench for 2 hours.
That sounds very peaceful. Did you read a book or did you just watch the birds?
I tried to read my English book, but I was mostly watching a very funny dog. It was trying to catch a ball, but it kept falling over. I laughed so much that my stomach hurt.
I love watching happy animals. It's a great way to relax your mind. Did you talk to anyone at the park or were you just a quiet observer?
Well, Sarah, that's the problem. A very kind lady sat next to me. She had a beautiful hat. I wanted to say hello, but my tongue felt like a heavy stone. I just looked at my shoes and stayed quiet.
Oh, Sam, don't feel bad. Many people feel shy when they sit next to a stranger. It is normal to feel a little bit of quiet fear in your heart.
I felt a bit lonely after she left. I wanted to ask her about the park, but I didn't know the right words. I just ate my apple and felt a little bit sad.
Well, Sam, today is your lucky day. We are going to learn exactly how to open that door and start a conversation. You won't have to look at your shoes next time. Today, we're going to learn how to talk to a stranger. Whether you are at a bus stop or sitting in a park, starting a conversation is a wonderful way to practice your English and make a new friend.
I need this so much, Sarah. I don't want to sit in silence anymore. I want to use my words to connect with people. Is it very hard to start a conversation?
Not at all, Sam. It is like planting a small seed. You just need a few simple words and a warm smile. We're going to show you the natural way to say hello without feeling any pressure.
I like the sound of that. A natural way feels much better than a scary way. I am ready to learn the secret.
Before we reveal the steps, we want to invite our lovely viewers to join our growing family. If you want to feel more confident when you speak English, please click the like button. It helps us reach more students just like you.
Yes, and if you haven't joined us yet, please click subscribe to the English Talkline. We are building a peaceful community here, and we want you to be a part of it.
Don't forget to share this video with a friend who might be shy. Let's help everyone feel brave together. Now, let's look at our first step for starting a chat. You know, Sam, I used to be very shy too, but I realized that people are usually waiting for someone else to say hello first.
Really? Even people who look busy?
Yes, I always start with the weather. It is the easiest way. I just say, it's a beautiful day, isn't it?
It's a beautiful day, isn't it? But Sarah, what if the sky is gray and it looks like rain?
Then you change it a little. You can say, it looks like rain is coming.
It looks like rain is coming. Sarah, does saying this make the stranger look up at the clouds?
Usually, yes. It makes you both look at the same thing. It's a shared moment.
I like that, a shared moment. What if we are at the bus stop and the bus is late?
That is a great time to talk. Everyone is thinking the same thing. I often say, the bus is late today.
The bus is late today. But Sarah, what if the person is looking at their phone? Should I still talk?
If they look very busy, maybe wait. But if they look up, you can try. You can ask, do you know when the next bus comes?
Do you know when the next bus comes? Sarah, wait, what if I already know the time for my phone? Is that lying?
No, Sam. It is just a bridge. You are building a bridge to talk to them. It's very common in English.
Oh, a conversation bridge. I like that. What about the lady with the dog at the park?
For a dog, it is even easier. You just say, what a cute dog.
What a cute dog. Can I ask the name? Like, what is his name? What is his name? Is that okay to ask a stranger?
Yes, people love talking about their pets. It makes them smile.
And if I see someone reading a book? I saw a man reading a very thick book today.
You can say, that looks like an interesting book.
That looks like an interesting book. But Sarah, what if it's a boring book about math?
Then you can say, that looks like a very difficult book.
That looks like a very difficult book. I think I prefer the cute dog conversation, Sarah.
That's fine. Always pick the topic that makes you feel comfortable. Once you start, you can ask a simple follow-up.
Like what? Can I ask where they live?
Not yet. Maybe just ask, do you live in this neighborhood?
Do you live in this neighborhood? That sounds very polite. It's a neighborhood question. Do you live in this neighborhood? Sarah, what if they say no, I'm just visiting?
Then you have a new topic. You can say, oh, welcome. Do you like our city?
Oh, welcome. Do you like our city? That is very kind. I want people to feel welcome.
You have a very kind heart. That is your best tool for English.
Thank you, Sarah. But how do I stop the talk? I don't want to talk forever.
You just use a friendly ending. When the bus comes, you say, it was nice chatting with you.
It was nice chatting with you. Can I say goodbye too?
Of course. Or you can say, have a great day.
Have a great day. I like that one. It's like giving them a small gift. Have a great day. Sarah, do I need to shake their hand?
No, just a small wave or a nod is perfect. Keep it light and easy.
Light and easy, like a feather. I'm going to practice my weather bridge tomorrow. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? I'm ready.
That was excellent, Sam. You are really getting the hang of it. Now, let's do some muscle memory practice. I want your mouth to feel very comfortable with these words.
I'm ready. I want these phrases to jump out of my mouth without me thinking too hard.
That's the spirit. I will say a phrase, and I want you to repeat it twice. Listen to my rhythm first. Here's the first one. It's a beautiful day, isn't it?
It's a beautiful day, isn't it? It's a beautiful day, isn't it? Sarah, I have a question. Should I say it faster? I want to sound like a native speaker.
No, Sam. Speed is not important. Clarity and pace are important. Let's try the next one for the bus stop. The bus is late today.
The bus is late today. The bus is late today. Sarah, wait. What if the bus is very, very late? Can I say the bus is super late?
You can, but late is perfect for a first conversation. Let's try our expert question now. Do you take this bus every day?
Do you take this bus every day? Do you take this bus every day? I like that one. It feels like I am really interested in their life. What about the dog one? I love dogs.
Okay, let's practice that one. What a lovely dog you have.
What a lovely dog you have. What a lovely dog you have. Sarah, if the dog is a girl, do I say lovely dog you have or lovely girl you have?
Just stick with dog or pet for now, Sam. It is safer. Now let's practice the book question. That looks like an interesting book.
That looks like an interesting book. That looks like an interesting book. Sarah, I have another question. What if they are reading on a tablet? Can I say, that looks like an interesting screen?
Maybe just say, that looks like a good read. It's more natural. Let's practice our neighborhood question now. Do you live in this neighborhood?
Do you live in this neighborhood? Do you live in this neighborhood? That word neighborhood is a bit long, Sarah. My tongue got a little bit twisted.
You did a great job. Just take it slow. Let's try the welcoming phrase. Do you like our city?
Do you like our city? Do you like our city? I love saying that one. It makes me feel like a host. Okay, what about the ending? How do I say goodbye?
Let's practice the friendly close. It was nice chatting with you.
It was nice chatting with you. It was nice chatting with you. Sarah, can I say it was nice chatting to the dog too?
You can, but the owner might think you are a bit funny. Let's do the final blessing. Have a great day.
Have a great day. Have a great day. I feel so much better now, Sarah. The words are starting to feel like they belong to me.
They do belong to you, Sam. Every time you repeat them, they become a part of you. You are doing so well.
Sarah, I have to be honest with everyone. Even with all this practice, my brain still does funny things when I'm nervous.
That's okay, Sam. What happened? Did you meet another stranger today?
I did. I was at the bus stop this morning. I saw a man with a very big umbrella. I wanted to use your weather bridge.
That sounds like a great plan. What did you say?
Well, I wanted to say, it's a very rainy day, isn't it? But I got so nervous that my words tripped over each other. I looked at him and said, it's a very rainy umbrella, isn't it?
A rainy umbrella? Now it is your turn to join our conversation. We don't want to be the only ones talking. We want to hear from our global family.
Yes! I want to know that I am not the only bus stop victor out there. I have a very special question for all of you.
Sam, why don't you share the question with our friends?
Okay, imagine you are sitting at a park. You see a person next to you. What is the one thing you would talk about to start a conversation? Would you talk about the weather, a cute dog, or maybe the beautiful trees?
That is a wonderful question. Please write your answer in the comments below. Even if it's just one word like weather or flowers, we want to see it.
And if you are feeling very brave, like me, try to write the whole sentence. For example, the trees are very green today, aren't they?
We promise to read your comments and give you a heart. It is a great way for you to practice thinking in English right now.
Go ahead and type it. I'm going to check the comments later with my cup of tea. I can't wait to see what you all say.
Your voice matters to us. Let's make the comment section a beautiful park full of friendly voices. Before we finish our lesson, Sam, I want to share a hidden habit. This is something I do when I travel to new places and feel a little bit shy.
A hidden habit? Is it a magic word that makes people talk to me?
Not a magic word, but a magic object. My secret tip is to carry a conversation starter.
A conversation starter? Like a big loud drum?
No, nothing loud. I mean something like a book with a bright cover, a unique keychain on my bag, or even a colorful scarf. If you have something interesting, people will often start the conversation with you.
The magnet trick. That is brilliant, Sarah. If I hold a map and look a little bit lost, will someone come to help me?
Exactly. People love to help. Looking a little bit lost is a great way to meet kind people. Do you have a secret tip, Sam?
I do. My tip is the 3-second rule. When I see someone I want to talk to, I count 1, 2, 3 in my head, and I must say hello before I reach 4. If I wait too long, my quiet fear grows too big. If I speak at number 3, my brain doesn't have time to be scared.
That is a wonderful tip, Sam. 1, 2, 3. Hello. It's simple and it works.
And one more tiny secret. I always carry a mint in my pocket. If I have a fresh breath, I feel much more confident when I stand close to a stranger.
Confidence comes from the little things. A fresh breath and a warm heart go a long way. We have come to the end of our journey today. I'm so proud of you, Sam, and I'm proud of everyone watching.
I feel so much better. My heart is not heavy anymore. It feels light.
That is wonderful. Let's do a very quick recap. To start a chat, just notice the world around you. Talk about the weather or the bus.
Yes, use a weather bridge. And don't forget the small questions, like, do you come here often?
Exactly. And if you make a mistake like Sam's rainy umbrella, just laugh and keep going. Kindness is the best language.
And always end with a blessing. Have a great day. It makes the world a better place.
It really does. Thank you for spending this peaceful time with us at the English